because you actually do have the wrong one. You know where I'm from, right? You know I'm from New York, right? Like, you know I know the dealings, right? Like, you know I know what the vibe is, right?
Yeah, yeah, yeah. Yeah, yeah.
Hi guys, it's Naya. Y'all see the title. Y'all see the title. Y'all like, what? Sugar daddy scam? Yes, girl. A sugar daddy scam. A sugar daddy tried to scam me. He tried it. I'm gonna just jump right into this. Okay, so this was around the time that my Apetamin video was getting more views and I was getting more followers on Instagram, right? So I'm like, all right, I'm getting more followers. My account is public, so literally if you go on my page, which by the way, follow me, I will have it right here or something, but if you go on my page, you will see all my pictures on my everything, right? But my messages, I guess for people that I'm not following, they go into like another inbox. Like it goes into like this other folder, right? I'm like, okay. So people are talking to me, whatever, and I see this one DM, y'all. This one DM, and I'm like, this is something about, hi, I'm some sugar daddy. You know when the message goes to another folder, you can click it to open it, but it won't say that you read it. So I clicked it and I read the whole thing, and it was like, hi, my name is George, I'm a sailor, I'm a sugar daddy, and I want to get to know you better. Or I go on man's page, right? He have like 2 pictures of himself, and he have like 2 followers and following like 100 people. I'm like, you're bugging. You really are. So I'm gonna just continue on my day and leave it as that, right? Day 1 was like,
nah, I'm not messing with it. Like, what? He thinks I'm dumb. No thanks.
Day 2 was like,
I do want some money though. Like, that, like, I'm like, sugar daddy not sounding too bad. Like, maybe he not a fake page. I don't know.
cause I'm thinking like man's is just like, I'm seeing the fake pictures and the things, and I'm like, okay, so maybe he really is. Like the dumb in me was like, maybe he is a sugar daddy and he just don't want to get arrested, or he just don't want people to know his real face. And maybe he have a wife and 5 kids and he just on the low, like obsessed with, I don't know, feel me? But that's what I'm thinking. Day 3, y'all.
I was like, I kind of do want some money. Let me see what he wants.
Day 2, I broke. Like I posted on Snapchat. I was like, yo, I think I'm about to entertain it. I don't know. They was like, yeah, girl. After my friends was like, yeah, that was my confirmation. It was set. I was like, all right, let's clip this over. Like, let me just see what's up. I hit him back up, and I was like, I replied back to his message. He was like, hi, I want to spoil you with money. So day 3, feel me, I lost it. I was like, are you serious? Like, is this really serious? And he was like, yes, I want to get to know you better. And I was like, he was like, let me read it. He was like, where you from? I was like, I'm Naya. And Pennsylvania. Yeah, I know damn well I don't live in no Pennsylvania. Y'all, I'm gonna just put the screenshots somewhere up here, because y'all not gonna believe me. He was like, I'm George, I'm a sailor, this, that, and third. I'm like, all right, so let me just get a feel. Like, maybe just like, can I just get a feel? Like, maybe he is a sailor and he's from Miami. You just talking for me, and I'm just feeling the vibe. At the back of my mind, I still know 50% of me knew that this was fake. I think 60% even. Like I don't know. And then he was like, do you have a boyfriend, pretty girl? And do you want to go on a date with me? I said, I'd rather not. Anywho, he was like, you are beautiful, this, that, and the third, blah, blah, blah. So yeah, I'm feeling the vibe, and we're talking and we're texting, and then he brought up paying for something. I think he asked me what I wanted, whether it was tuition or something, and I was like, I want a car. And he was like, that's a lot. Y'all, I'm gonna just post the screenshots, because like, I don't want to keep looking back and forth. But basically, he was like, did you always want a sugar daddy? And I was like, yes, I did. Like, I wanted one, but I didn't know where they was hiding. That's kind of true, because I heard that you could get like a sugar daddy and just send pictures of your feet and go on about your day. And I was like, wow, like, I could send pictures of my feet to people and get paid. So if y'all know, just comment down below, please, because your girl. He was like, just make a promise to me. After I send you the money, you can't stop talking to me. And I'm like, what the, I'm sorry. I'm like, what? Okay. So after we done talking, he's like, I'll send you the money, just make me this promise and don't stop talking to me. So I'm like, okay, fine, whatever, yeah, fine, good for you. And then he said, so I will need your Western Union address, name, city, state, zip code. I'm like, he brought up Western Union. I was like, all right, 1, you know where I'm from, right? You know I'm from New York, right? Like, you know I know the dealings, right? Like, you know I know what the vibe is, right? Like, you know I know what type of time you want, right? Like, I really know the vibe right now. You bring up Western Union? Are you crazy? Like, you know what? Y'all. Like, you know, in New York, they be doing this on a regular. I don't even know if it's Western Union, but once you hear Western Union, I think Western Union is like the far away for us. But basically, it's like the same. Anyway, let me not snitch. But damn, I'm gonna blank that out. But yo, he brought up Western Union. I was like, yo, you actually have the wrong one. Like, you think I think he thought I was dumb. I really do. You know how many other ways you can send me money? You can PayPal, you can Apple Pay, Zello, Cash App. Like, I think he really thought I was like a stupid girl. And I'm like, yo, you really must know where I'm from. I'm from New York. Like, I don't know if y'all, some of y'all knew, because y'all was like how I have an accent. I'm like, okay, first of all, you have the accent, not me. Like, let me know if you from New York and you feel me on this. Like, people always say that how we have an accent. Like, no, you do. Like, the sun set me the Western Union vibe. I was like, I put LMFAO. I was like, you really must think I'm like in the middle of nowhere or something, because it just don't make sense. And he was like, oh, I only use Western Union. I was like, well, it might be a clip for you because your girl's not sending none of that information. I said, okay, have a good night. He was like, get a Western Union app. And when I'm done sending the money, I said, yo, you're act like... I was like, no, thank you. I don't business with Webster Union. I meant to say whatever. Y'all know what I meant. Y'all, after I sent this message, son left me on scene. I said, oh, you smart. He unfollowed me and everything. I was like, yo, yeah, you smart, but you dumb at the same time, because you really tried to Western Union me. You really tried to Western Union, like... I was almost offended, because like, yo, you really tried to scam me. Like, you tried to scam me. You see me and you tried to scam me, like little old me. And he left me on scene. I was like, okay, because you actually do have the wrong one. Like, in all actuality, this is not the right one. It's not a good fit. You might want to try somewhere else, someone who doesn't live in like a populated area, who doesn't know. Like, I'm like, yo, he really tried it. E for effort. George Williams, whatever his name was, E for effort. But no, son brought up Western Union. I was like, okay. He didn't block me. I might hit him back up and see if he want a teammate, because your girl needs some money. Please be careful. Don't be giving your information to nobody. Don't be responding to strangers. Y'all be falling into the trap too, and I'm like, yo, we need to like level up. Level up. Don't be giving away your bank account information, nothing to nobody. I don't care. Especially not over the phone. Especially not like through text. Especially not through anywhere in life ever. Yo, don't be giving your information, please, because this man really tried to scam me about some name, state, zip code. Bro, don't fall into the trap, y'all. I do want a sugar daddy, though. Anyway, you guys, thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to follow my Instagram. Give this video a like. Comment if you have any stories. Oh, girl, go to bed. Comment if you have any stories similar to this one. Yeah, thank you guys. Thank you for watching. Bye. Oh, also, y'all, I'm gonna just leave it. Y'all forgot about my tooth gem video. I ain't forget. Y'all need to go check out my DIY tooth gem video. I'm gonna leave that in the description box as well. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. Yeah, we said this already. Bye.